Hello friends, it's Elena's story time. Today we're going to read Bear Hunt by Anthony Brown. One day, Bear went for a walk. Two hunters were hunting. They saw Bear. Look out, Bear! Quickly, Bear began to draw. Well done, Bear, but there was another hunter. Run, Bear, run! Out came Bear's pencil. And Bear walked on. Stop, the hunter's back. Swiftly, Bear got to work. Look up, Bear! Bear is caught, but Bear still had his pencil. Clever Bear! Help! Do something, Bear! So Bear escaped, and the hunters were left far behind. The end. Please subscribe this channel. Bye.